a powerful SoftLogic development software and is used for configuration, programming, and debugging. The workbench supports all standard soft PLC programming languages such as structured text, function blocks, ladder, instruction list, and sequential function charts. Applications include data acquisition systems, distributed control system, factory automation, building automation, remote I/O system, wireless monitor and control system, motion control system, and so on. The workbench supports cold restart, hot restart, and online changes. Multitasking programming with task priority and cycle time setting is possible. Tools are provided for event-based communication between different WinGRAF runtimes. The events are time-based. HMI communication interfaces for InduSoft and eLogger are part of the workbench tools. Using the WinGRAF software with ICP-USA's WinGRAF packs, the control and monitor systems can easily implement the industrial level of data acquisition and logic control in various industrial fields. The WinGRAF pack supports the use of VS 2008 or VS 2010 to develop user-owned HMI and data management programs, and can exchange variables with the WinGRAF control programs. These are the applications: Modbus Master Ports, Modbus RTU Master, and Modbus TCP UDP Master. SoftGraph Colorful HMI with WinGRAF SoftLogic and SoftGraph HMI, and Modbus RTU TCP Slave ports. Data binding, exchanging data between packs, and DCON remote I/O. To learn more about our WinGRAF and WinGRAF packs, visit our website or contact a member of the ICP-USA team.